want to get some new apps, but in the App Store, the Get or the cloud icon is grayed out, so you can't get the app. In this video, we will show you how to fix Get or install apps disabled or grayed out in App Store problem on iPhone or iPad. We are using an iPhone 14 Pro Max, but you can use any iPhone running on latest iOS or any iPad running on latest iPadOS easily. To fix this, open Settings, go to Screen Time, scroll down, tap Content and Privacy Restriction, tap Content Restrictions, tap App. Now select Allow All. Now it should fix your problem, but for safety purpose, you can go back and turn off content and privacy restrictions, and it should fix your problem. So guys, this is the way you can easily fix Get or Install Apps icon grayed out or disable problem on iPhone or iPad. That's it for now. If you have any query regarding the topic, let us know in the comment below and always stay with our channel. Thank you.